Tomorrow morning is a brew day, and I'm not brewing here. I get to brew here today. Check this place out. 2 systems there. He's got the glycol chiller, spike brewing fermenters, but this is the piece de resistance right here.
If you're up for drinks and a good crowd, raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that.
Super excited to try this thing out, man. It's like Christmas came early. And as you can see, my garage is not ready to set up to brew because I'm going to brew somewhere else. I guess it's time to get going. Clawhammer sent me their new fermenter, their keg fermenter, which I'm super excited to try. And I thought this would be the perfect vessel because I'm not brewing here. I'm actually going to brew somewhere else and rack the wort into this, bring it back here, and then pitch my yeast and ferment it here. And I thought this would be the perfect fermenter to do that with. Buckle up for safety.
For a while, let me feel alive.
Here we go. I'm off to Fresno to go meet this guy right here. This guy's Ryan Hansen, Big Pop Brewing. I love his mural in the back there. But check this place out. I get to use his 10-gallon, 120-volt Clawhammer today, which it'll be a first for me. I've never brewed on an electric system. I weighed out everything and grinded it last night. I'm mashing it all in today. Once again, I'm just kind of dump it in and go type of guy, so.
I feel so alive. As I reach out.
So I'm gonna brew a Clawhammer beer on a Clawhammer system, and I'm going to put it in their new Clawhammer keg fermenter. So Ryan here's got his mash out going on, and I've got my mash in, recirculating. Simplest system ever.
Yeah, you wanna put that dish in your mouth.
A homebrewed Munich Helles. Super clear and super delicious.
We got a few little hooks.
Okay, yep. Lupo Max Columbus going in at 60 minutes. I'm having a little bit of homebrew envy. I mean, not only is there 2 systems there, he's got the glycol chiller with all of those nice spike brewing fermenters, but this is the piece de resistance right here. Check out this cold room. Running the AC off of a CoolBot. I think I have a new project. It's time for my second hop edition. Hop schedule's pretty easy on this one. 1/4 ounce, which looks like nothing. I'm done boiling. It's done chilling. We're gonna rack it over into our nice new Clawhammer keg fermenter. Got about 4.5 gallons. It's sitting at about 95 degrees, but it's got to go for a little bit of a ride to get back down to Visalia. That was a pretty successful brew day. Started at 10 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock right now. I'm definitely gonna miss having this setup though when I brew at home again. I was thinking I might oxygenate it first, but after a 45-minute car ride, it's probably shaken up enough. I gotta say, first impressions of this Clawhammer keg fermenter, really cool. I did install the floating dip tube in there. I didn't put the carb stone in or anything else like that. I'm just gonna use the floating dip tube, and then I'm just gonna run the blow off tube attachment. I'm not used to waiting this long to pitch yeast. When we finish brew day at around 1 o'clock, it's 3:46. I've got a thermo well inside of the new Clawhammer keg fermenter, and it's reading that it's like 87 degrees right now, so probably too soon to pitch this yeast. I'm totally jealous of his setup, but it gives me a lot of ideas and a lot of motivation to straighten up this mess and turn it into a proper home brewery. And it is still an absolute wreck in my garage. This fermenter worked awesome for its first run. I had no idea what to expect from this beer. It's really good. Now, I do need to mention that Clawhammer did send this to me. It is a first generation prototype. There are gonna be some changes to the final product. The mouthfeel is just wonderfully smooth and silky. One of the changes is their thermal well. It didn't meet their standards on this model, so they are going to be adding a better thermal well to this one, so there's no pressure leaks in that area. But it's got a nice crisp bite to it as well too. Really good for an amber ale. They are also working on some added safety features to the tri-clamps. I'll make sure I put a link in the description to the Clawhammer website, so when you're ready to order one of these bad boys, you can just go check their website and order from there. 120 volt Clawhammer for the win. Clawhammer keg fermenter, double win. And I am absolutely winning with this Clawhammer Amber Rye Ale for the win. If you're watching my YouTube channel, I'm sure you've heard of their YouTube channel. Check out their recipes on their website, check out their YouTube channel. Also, huge shout out to Ryan Hansen at Big Pop Brewing. He also has a YouTube channel and an Instagram page. Go follow him on Instagram and check out his YouTube channel as well too. Super good guy. His garage it's given me a whole lot of motivation to turn my mess around. Hey, go grab yourself another beer, go watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.